Hello everyone, welcome to iFix Electronics SXM. In today's video, we have a MacBook that's not coming on or no power problem. If you see in the amp meter, it's consuming 5V and around 3A. By voltage consumption, we can say this laptop have power issue or short circuit. We don't know what exactly situation inside the motherboard. To test further, we're going to dismantle the MacBook. Test some line if you see any short circuits. After dismantling the motherboard, we do a visual inspection for any kind of burn or liquid damage. We found one part of motherboard looks repaired before or liquid damage. Clean that area and check more. Measure corroded components with multimeter. This cap looks like burn, but it's working fine. We will check all the area one by one. Oh, looks like we found the culprit. In this case, our CD chip is burned. Looks like a straightforward repair. To remove the chip, apply some solar flux. Use hot air gun to remove the chip. Clean all the pads. Use the desolder wire to clean the pads. Take measurements from the cheap pad, if any short there. Everything looks perfect. Now we'll replace a brand new chip. Apply some flux. Place the chip and use hot air gun to install. After installation is done, clean all the flux. And test the motherboard with charger. Here we can see it's taking 5V around 300 milliamps. Now the voltage should jump around 19 volts in order to work perfectly. It's consuming 19V. Our motherboard is fixed. Assemble motherboard and check everything working perfectly. Thanks for watching. If you have any repair query, you can WhatsApp us or visit our store. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.